Okay, so this is to study for number 13 on the advanced term 3 post-test. What you see in front of you is a blank to-measure phrase in 4/4 time. That's what the C means, 4/4 time. So if I were you, I'd just draw out on a piece of paper a single line with a bar line, and then listen to my examples as many times as you need. You can back it up. I will speak each example with takadimi and then a neutral syllable. And if you need to go back and hear it again until you think you have it correct, you can just go back to whatever you need to hear again, and then I'll show you the answer. So, the first example is, like I said, all these are in 4/4 time, and there is going to be a one rest. The quarter note tempo is 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, ta, di, ta, ta, di, ta, di. Here is that example again with a neutral syllable. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do, 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 do. If you need to hear either of those examples again, I would go back a little ways and back to like 47 seconds in this video and hear it again. Pause there. I'm going to now show you the answer when you're ready to see it. This is what it was. 2, ta, di, ta, ta, di, ta, di, and then a rest. Remember, you're going to probably hear a dotted quarter followed by an eighth, and that's always going to sound like this. Ta, di. You're going to feel 2 beats. Ta, di. What some kids like to do is mark tally parts, or tally marks, or write in the takadimi. You know, here's a beat, there's a beat, there's a beat, there's a beat. In your dotted quarter, you're going to feel 2 beats, ta, di, and then there's the end of that half of the beat. So this equals 2 full beats. Here's 2 full beats. Okay, so we're going to do a new example. Draw another line that looks like this. And here it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, di, ta, di, ta, di, ta, 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 di. Once again, this one does have a quarter rest. It also does have a dotted quarter followed by an eighth note. I will do takadimi again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, di, ta, di, ta, di, ta, 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 di. And here is that same example on a neutral syllable. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do, do. Do, 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 do. Now, if you want to stop here and go back to like 3 minutes and 25 seconds, you can hear those examples as many times as you want. But right now, I'm going to scroll to what the answer is. Ta, di, rest. Ta, di, ta, di, ta, 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 di. All right, we're going to move on to a new example. You need a blank line, again, 2 measures. Quarter note is 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, di, tu, ta, 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 di. Again, this example is going to have a quarter rest, and this example also has a dotted quarter followed by an eighth note. Here it is again on Takadimi. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta-di, tu, ta, 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 di. And here's that same example on a neutral syllable. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do, 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 do. If you need to hear those examples again, I would back this video up to about 5 minutes, the 5-minute mark. Otherwise, I'm going to scroll down and show you the answer. Here we are on ta-di, tu, ta, 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 di. Once again, with the dotted quarter and eighth, you're going to feel 2 beats, followed by a quick D. Ta-di, ta-di. So there's your 2 beats followed by a D, and that equals altogether 1.5 plus a half is 2 beats. Cool. There is one more example that I want to do with you. You can draw a new line. Here's your tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta-di, tu, ta-di, ta-di. Here it is again on Takadimi a second time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta-di, tu, ta-di, ta-di. And the third time I'm going to do a neutral syllable. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do, 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 do. Now, if you need to hear those again, I would back up to about 6 minutes or 6 minutes and 15 seconds and play those again until you think you have it. And right now I'm going to scroll down to the answer so you can see. Here we have the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta-di, tu, ta-di, ta-di. So I stuck 2 sets of dotted quarter eighth notes here. Dotted quarter plus eighth notes. There were 2 of those. Ta-di, tu, ta-di, ta-di. Hopefully that helps you learn about how to do rhythmic dictation and gets you more prepared for the test.